Set to go. The gates open and they're off and running, and Chapter 2 and Little Red were one of the best to get going. Chocolate Soldier's got plenty of speed on the outside, and also Fortunatus holding up on the rails. It's a mad charge early. Right behind them, Bougainvillea and Happy Lido in the yellow colours is pulling a little bit out of the straight. Now a gap away to Northern Spirit, who's on the outside of Sea Cucumber. Sea Cucumber now going ahead of Northern Spirit as the pace continues to be solid. Next one is Lucky Domino. They're followed by Resourceful Tian Lu as last. Chocolate Soldier the leader by length on Chapter 2. Back on the inside is Fortunate as they march their way down the back stretch. On the outside is Little Red bobbing along in about third and fourth position behind them. Happy Lido, then Bougainvillea, and Sea Cucumber pulling a little bit inside of Northern Spirit. They're followed by Resourceful out 3 deep. Lucky Domino between them. Tian Lu on the rails. 700 metres to go now. Chocolate Soldier endeavouring to lead all the way. He's out by length on Chapter 2, right there to strike. Fortunate is third, Little Red is fourth. A couple of lengths away to Bougainvillea, then Happy Lido. Behind those is Sea Cucumber, Tian Lu. Now Northern Spirit with the red cap on. He's trying to go forward, giving the leader about 6. He's about to turn wide. In behind those is Lucky Domino, and a long way back is Resourceful. Chocolate Soldier under pressure as Chapter 2 looms up quickly on the outside. Little Red, 3 outs, having a crack. In behind those is Bougainvillea. They're followed by Fortunate. Northern Spirit runs on with Sea Cucumber down the outside. Chapter 2, a Little Red. Chapter 2 on the inside, a Little Red. Bougainvillea is getting home strongly. It's Chapter 2 in front of Little Red. Chapter 2 holding on. Little Red, Tian Lu. Chapter 2 just gets there. Chapter 2 from Little Red, Tian Lu. Then there was a wall of them. Fortunate, Northern Spirit, Lucky Domino, Sea Cucumber out wide, Bougainvillea very close up on the rails. In behind